In this video, I'm talking all about Invideo, an amazing online video maker in which you can create text to video form of content. So let's get into it. Invideo is really awesome because this is an online video maker. This means regardless of where you are, as long as you have an internet connection, you can create videos. This means you can also borrow a friend's laptop, or you can do this on a work computer. It doesn't matter where you are, you can create videos using Invideo. So let me jump into the homepage of Invideo and show you what they have to offer. So this is the homepage of Invideo, and here as you can see, so there are three options. One is the pre-made templates, text to video, and blank canvas. So as of now we are going to select this text to video, and there are three options here as you can see. This one is a wide 16:9 aspect ratio, square for Instagram, vertical, so this is for YouTube shorts, and TikTok format. So I'll select this one, wide 16:9. And as you can see, once you scroll down, there are variety of options out here. There are variety of templates you can select from here. As you can see, when you just hover over it, you will be able to see the exact format of the template. So today in this video, I'm going to select this listicle type of format. As you can see here, you can select this listicle type of template here, and there are multiple options. I'm just going to select this one, and just click on use this template. Okay, as you can see, this is the main editor here, and this is the blogs. So in this video, what we are going to do is we are going to write listicles. We are going to make our listicles on top 5 places to visit in United States. Okay, so these are all the blogs here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to delete this outro here, and this will be all the blogs. So what I'll do, I've just found a blog here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to enter it here. So this is the number, you have to enter 1. So this is the headline, so this will be the headline, and just copy paste here, and here is the information. So what I'll do is I'll just copy this. Okay, so this is done. So the next part is, as you can see on the left hand side, there are multiple options. This is the upload option where you can upload your custom media here, either a photo or a video here. And this is the video where you can select stock images and stock videos from here. And this is the image one, where you can select the stock photos from here. So this is the royalty free music you can select here. You can also put a logo here, and this is the folder where you can save. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select a photo, maybe I'll just write New York. Okay, I'll select this one. You just have to drag and drop it here, and this will be our first scene. So music is very loud now. So what I'll do is I'll just complete all this, and after that we'll go into the advanced editor and we'll just adjust the music. So let me complete this all the 5 places. Okay, as you can see, everything is done now. I have already applied the images and videos. Okay, so what we'll do is now we'll go to the advanced editor and we'll adjust the music and the text to speech there. Okay, so yeah, as you can see here, music is already applied. Here I'll just click on edit here, and we can just adjust the volume, or you can just delete it, and we can just replace it from another music. So what I'm going to do is, I'll just going to decrease the volume to around 20%, and you can also give it some effects like fade in and fade out. Here, fade out. And if you want to change this background music, you can definitely go it here, and you can just replace this music with the one you want. Okay, so now what we'll do is, we'll just give this video a voiceover. So I'll just click on here, automatic text to speech. So if you want to upload your voiceover, you can definitely give your voiceover as well. So there are multiple options, but as of now I'll just select the inbuilt one. I'll select this US English Matthews, and I'll generate voiceover for the entire video. So let's see how it sounds.
One New York City is like no other city in the world, and one that must be experienced.
Okay, once this is done, I'll just click on add automated voiceover for all scenes, and it will be automatically selected for the entire video. Okay, so I'll just preview the video and I'll show you here, so how it sounds.
One New York City is like no other city in the world, and one that must be experienced to be fully appreciated. For first-time visitors, walking the streets can be like walking through a movie set, with famous sights at every turn, from the Empire State Building. One New York City is like no other city in the world. To San Francisco, this charming and picturesque West Coast city is the perfect getaway destination for couples, singles, or families. Famous sights,
Okay, so this is just lagging because I haven't downloaded the video yet. Once you are able to download the video from here, okay, so it will play very smoothly. So there you go. Invideo is really awesome and powerful text to video creator, and I will seriously recommend it to anybody that needs to create text to video form of content. So if you are interested in Invideo, check the link in the description below. That will take you to the website, and there you go. You can see if this is right for you. And there you go. Thank you for watching the video. I really appreciate your support, and I will see you in the next video. See you there.